Okay, so this is a video to show you how to add someone as a teacher into your course. So you're going to first navigate to the course that you want to add someone to. So if I wanted to add somebody to this HBW staff page, I would click on the course. Then you're going to come over here on the sidebar and click People right here. Once that loads, you're going to click on the blue plus sign with People over here. And you're going to type in an email address. So if I type in kenny.white@apsva.us, that's our network analyst, and I can make him any kind of role I want right here. So I would choose teacher, and then I can choose which sections to include him in. Typically teachers will go into all of them. I would press next, and then I would press add users. If you are trying to have a co-teacher in multiple sections, you will need to do this multiple times for each section you want them to be added to.